everyone, welcome back to Phil G's Koi Ponds, here in the intro with me and yo, what's up, it's Deck. If you've enjoyed our videos so far, please like them, and if you haven't liked them yet, what are you doing? Do it now! We're now going to pass you on to the star of the show. See you later guys.
Hi everyone, just a quick video, obviously show the bad with the good on this channel. What's today? It's Wednesday the 6th of September. Come home from work and found what I'm going to show you in the next clip. Yeah, if you've got a weak stomach sort of thing, then just turn away and I'll show you what I found. I'm devastated. Yeah, Microscope that I got from Quenny Koi, what was it, 2 years ago? It'll be 3 years in February. 50 cm when I got him. He's only just turned 53 cm now, which is a bit weird, but it actually started to get the body on him. Decent set of shoulders all the way down, really cracking fish it was. Yeah, come home at dinner time and found this one in the temporary pool, stuck against the pump. The cage had come off the pump, and yeah, he was against it. He was dead. I released him and he was dead. He was floating to the top. I've just checked the gills, and I'm not sure if this is because he's passed on, but the gills are not very good at all. Don't know if that's going to focus. Obviously they're meant to be a nice red colour, and they're just pure white. I have noticed as well, flipped him over, obviously I didn't see this in the pool. It's got a little, well, big enough sore there. I'm absolutely gutted, devastated. What I'll do is I'm going to get half a dozen of the others out now, give them a scrape, see what's going on. I've tested chlorine, that's come back 0. Nitrite, that's also 0. Ammonia's, what was ammonia? Ammonia was, I didn't do that on the Hannah kit that I've got. Hang on, let me just turn you around. Yeah, I didn't do that on the Hannah kit. I've done that with the Colombo, and that's come back yellow, so that's all good. These are the rest of them in here. Easier if I flip you around again, won't it? Here's the rest of them. So the water's gone gin clear as well. Yeah, from where I was to now, it's looking really good in there. And as I say, there's no water parameter issues or nothing. The only one I did have was that KH. That's sitting at 4 at the minute. So whether that's had an effect with the Goshki, obviously the levels have been up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's got to take its toll on something, I'm assuming. If anybody knows or can help, then just let me know. But yeah, I'm gutted. I just gutted. I don't know what else to say on it, to be honest. So yeah, for a 46-year-old bloke, I'm quite choked up as well, if I am being honest. Here was my prized possession, and oh, I couldn't wait to put him in the new pond. So I'm going to do these scrapes, and I'll capture some of it just to show you and see what I can find. So I'll catch you in a minute. So I've just had a Deutsch shower out, didn't have any mucus on it at all, so I couldn't do any scrapes. So the next one I've just caught is this Soragoi. If everyone can remember, this was from Vince's 1000 giveaway. Couple of little specks of ginrin by the dorsal fin, but look at the reticulation on that. What a fish. Oh my God, that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'll just hand it over to the camera lady and give it a measure, see what happens. Do it the other way. Film it the other way. So it's lengthwise. Lengthwise. That way, down. Whoa! Jesus, wet. That went in the bucket. That is coming in at 33 cm. I'm just going to scrape it and see if I can get any mucus off this one. So this is the slide from the Sorghum. I've had a good look through it and I can't see anything. Get it back in focus, there you go. There's just nothing, no signs, and this is on, what's this on? That's on 100 times magnification. Let's have a look on 40. Focused. So these LCD screens are really good, but it does take some working out with them. This is on 10 times magnification. As I say, there's no signs of fluke. There's nothing. We'll go back to 100. Sorry about the camera work. There's no sign of trick, anything. There's no movement on it whatsoever. And where it's just jumped out that bowl, it landed in the bucket that I've been using to transport the water from the pool to the blue measuring bowl. It's lost 2 scales in the process. Focusing because of the phone on it. But yeah, I can't see nothing untoward on there. Say, I haven't even seen the light flashing in the pool either. I'm just, yeah, at a loss with that Goshki. Obviously his gills were in a really poor condition, but as I say, I'm not sure. I'll have to do some research, but I'm not sure whether that's because he died or what. I'll have a look. I'll see if I can get another one out, and we'll get that scrape as well. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is my next one. This one has always been with me. He was given to me out of someone's pond who was closing the pond down, and yeah, I took him on. He's nothing special, don't get me wrong. He was a pond filler at the time. I've had him for years, 10 years plus. Obviously, I've got this one out. This is like my hospital fish. When there's something wrong with this one, I know there's something wrong with the pond. It's so tame, it's unreal. It's such a good fish, but you can see he's getting stressed out already. But I've got him out because of this mark on here, so I'm going to give him a scrape as well, a scrape, see what we can get, and then I'll treat it, put a bit of anti-bac and the old Tamidine on it, and then get him back in the pond. No mucus coming off it at all. What I'll do, that seems a waste of time. Oh, it stung him a little bit. I've checked the gills on this one as well, and they're a lovely red colour, so I'm not worried too much about that. I haven't got any sedate in here, which is probably something I should be putting in. No, that's not going to work. I have measured it. There's me saying it's calm and really placid, and it's not. That measures at 60 centimetres exactly. So yeah, really chuffed with that one. I say it's no prize winning fish by all means, but yeah, it's certainly done me well over time. Okay, that's what I mean about placid. It's just, yeah. Literally nothing's come off it. Right, I'm going to get it back in the pool. Right, it's another one, a yammy. I got this again when it was one of my first pond fillers. Got him around 30 cm, about 5-6 years ago, probably longer. That's coming in at 56 cm. Nice and clean underneath. Alright. Just a scale or two there. That could be where I've just got him out as well. Let's see if I can get anything off this one. Come on. There's nothing coming off. What I'm going to have to do is sedate him, I think, and then give it another shot. But what on that sorrel guy, I couldn't see nothing untoward, like I said in the earlier clip. He looked really good. And I haven't seen any flashing, to be honest. So I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't think I'm going to carry on and scrape anymore. They've hardly got any mucus on them as well, which is a good thing. I think I'm just going to have to monitor them and keep an eye on them. All my water levels are good. Yeah, it's one of them. Bizarre. So I'll leave it there and I'll catch you in a minute. So this is one of the chags that I had from the BKKS show, not last year, the year before. I bought 3 at the time. They're the Oakley spawning, and when I got them, they was 14 centimetres and nowhere near got the girth on them. Yeah, this has come on tremendously well in this paddling pool. Let's just have a measure of him. I keep saying him, they might be hers. So that is sitting at 40, just over 40 cm. That is really impressive. considering they've been in a paddling pool. Bit of a lively one. Alright, just let you go a minute. Yeah, again, it's not a prize winning fish, but once I've got him in the pond behind me, I reckon this will double its size easy. Let's see if I can get it over. It's nice and clean underneath. Don't want to stress it too much. Like I said, I'll try and get a scrape.
There is.
I think I've got a little bit on that one. We'll give that a go. Yep, 40 cm, looking really well. Just getting back in the pond, and that's it. I ain't going to get any more out now, definitely. Right, so this is from the mucus on the chagoi, the Oakley chag that I just had out. Again, I've just gone through it. This is on 100 magnification. I cannot find a single thing, which is a good thing, don't get me wrong. I'm really happy with that. But just miffed as to why that goshki's gone. There's just no signs of any movement whatsoever. I know I'm going a bit fast, but I have looked at this before I videoed it, and there's nothing. So yeah, there we go. That's been my Wednesday, hump day indeed. I don't know what to say. Nothing on the scrapes. Yes, I could have done them better, put a bit of sedate in, but what I've got enough mucus to go through the microscope, as you've just seen, as you've just witnessed. Not showing any signs of any irritation at all. They're stressed out now because I've been chasing them with a net, but I'm just going to leave them, cover them back up, and let them be. But yeah, just upset. It's part of koi keeping. I know, I get it, I understand it, but it was my best koi, and yeah, I had high hopes for him in that new pond. I have started the fiberglassing. But this heat wave that we're having, it's just too hot. It's going off. I've done the base of the bio chamber, one of the walls. It's just too hot in there. So I'm gonna have to wait until the temperatures are cooled and get back in there. Hopefully this Saturday. I'll get back in there early Saturday morning and have another crack at it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks to new subscribers. I think I'm around 610, something like that. Keep sort of like hovering between that and going back down to about 6'7", 6'6", and go back up to 6'10". So I do appreciate the new people that's following me, and for those that aren't subscribed, I don't normally ask, but you know, it's free of charge. It helps the channel, and it certainly helps me learn and develop further. So yeah, appreciate your support, guys. Take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Hi again, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel. Ant and Deck out!